Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your TikTok account, or for some reason, you can't log into your TikTok account. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but let me ask you this question. Did you disable your TikTok account? Did you delete it? Do you think your account's hacked? If those things happen to be the case, then you may want to contact TikTok directly and have them look into this situation. But if you're just having some random issue, maybe you already have access to TikTok on some phones, but for some reason not working here, well, the first thing I would recommend doing, as always, is verifying your network connection. This is by far the easiest thing you could do. I use this all the time, or I do this all the time, and this ends up fixing it. So, what you want to do is go inside of your settings app, go inside any other app that you want to, your control center here, and verify that you're connected to some sort of signal. So, Wi Fi and data, as you can see, I have bars. I have, even though I don't have a SIM card, I'm able to go ahead and either, get connected to a cell signal or a Wi Fi connection. Then what you want to do is you want to go to any other website inside of your browser. So whether this is, google.com, Bing, Apple, whatever it is, you want to try to load up any web page and see how long it takes to load those web pages up. If it takes, a normal time, 1 second or something to load it up, then you're set. If it takes a long time, then you can probably verify that, your network is probably bad and you have to either connect to a better, Wi-Fi connection or connect to a different Wi-Fi or, cell signal, whatever the case is. That's essentially the main thing you can do there to pretty much alleviate this situation. Now, let's say that doesn't work and that doesn't seem to be the case. Well, what you want to do now is essentially go ahead and update your TikTok app. So go inside of your app store like this. You want to go and click search. You want to scroll up here and you want to click TikTok. So you want to type in TikTok just like this. And at this point, you just want to go and find the app and you want to update your specific TikTok app. If you're on a very outdated version of TikTok, a lot of problems can happen. And whether you fix them or not, they're going to be there always. So you want to go ahead and update your TikTok account, and that should end up fixing the issue there as well. It's not a guarantee, but I'm pretty sure that's probably going to end up fixing the issue in my opinion. So that's essentially it. Those are the main ways to go and fix your TikTok account if for some reason you're having some login issues. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.